Want to make cinematic intro using CapCut? In this video, I will guide you on how you can do that. First thing you want to do is open up the CapCut app on your device. Now select New Project. Now go ahead and upload your photo from here. Then select Text. Now select Add Text and enter your text. After that, select a font. Once that is done, adjust it where you want it to be. Then select this keyframe icon. Now, when you get to the end of the video, you want to zoom it in. Once that is done, click on this icon and select Ease In. Now, export the video. After it has been exported, open up a new project. Select any video you want. Now, click on Overlay. Then select Add Overlay, and this time select the video that we just created. Click on Add. Now, go ahead and adjust it. Now click on Splice and select Darken. Click on the checkmark option after that, and as you can see, the end result, the cinematic intro, is ready. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.